Well, YouTube land, I lifted it up off the table. This is not for the faint of heart. But anyway, look at that darn I-ring assembly. I bought it like a year or two ago, and it cost then, like, you know, in between 100 and 200, I'll safely say. So with inflation, hopefully it won't exceed that, but apparently it is worth its weight in gold. I was going to do the strap scene, which I've done before, and, you know, it is hard as heck, you know, to balance the motor and this and that. And anyway, yeah, you can see I got plywood under there, and I'm going to slide that table out, work on it right where it is, and then I'm going to put plywood behind it. I got a big sheet of plywood. This way I can maneuver it so I can get, you know, it onto the boat, which will be another spectacular mission, because I really haven't messed with anything this big before. It's only a 140. I'm not a, you know, I've had, you know, 33 and 40 horsepower outboards and a million smaller outboards. I always ran, you know, the aluminum boats, which I want to go back to, actually, because it's simple, you know, and it's all about time on the water, you know, and anything that keeps me from being on the water. But anyway, we'll see. This is also another insane obsession. But as you can see, I did it once again without toppling it. I came very close to toppling it, just like my jet ski video. I'm not proud of that. And a disclaimer is, if you attempt anything I ever do in my videos, you do so at your own risk. This is for entertainment. This is how I do things, and I am not encouraging anybody to do anything. So anything that you do is at your own risk, and by watching this video, you agree to them terms. I hate disclaimers, but you know the insanity of our society, unfortunately. I'm praying for massive change. Anyway, I'll keep you updated, guys, and I'm gonna walk the talk and see if I am absolutely right about that darn shift linkage. But I do know this from my many years of working on engines, and I've done numerous water pumps. You got to be very careful when you're rebuilding them pumps too. Follow the directions. You're going to need sealers and grease, get everything. But whenever you are going to do a water pump on a large outboard motor, keep that in mind. You see, I wised up. The first thing you got to do is disconnect the shift linkage, because what 90% of amateurs do is they disconnect all the lower unit bolts, and they're unaware that it's connected under the carburetor, and this is a friggin' gigantic nightmare. And then they go to lower the lower unit, and it gets stuck because it's connected below your carburetor. And if you start putting bars on it and all of that, I'm telling you, like, if you don't, you know, get the proper instruction to the best of your ability, usually you will screw up 10 times worse, you know, than the problem you were originally trying to fix. And this crap is expensive. The only way I'm in the game my whole life, not being a millionaire or a billionaire yet, is by doing the work myself. And plus, I've also found that the mechanic that cares the most about your crap is you. You know, motorcycles, you know, I've had my bike in the shop 3 or 4 times, paid this guy hundreds of dollars. And this is going way back when I was 17. And after 3 months in his damn shop, I got it back and it was still screwed up. And I went out and bought a manual, and I highly suggest you do, and I never looked back. if you can read step-by-step instructions and you're handy, you could fix virtually almost everything, within reason. Some things, you don't have a shop, specialized tools, the whole 9 yards, but you will definitely, without a doubt, save yourself a lot of time, and plus you'll have more time to enjoy your thing, because then people in the shop, they might have 50 jobs ahead of you, and they're not losing any sleep at night about you waking up every day and wanting to drive your boat, this, that, and the other motorcycle. Enough said. Peace out.